The question is that what happened today, what do you feel about it, and next course of action?
Today is fixed for the hearing for the Tan Boon Hwa's application for injunction to refrain Grand Saga from re-erecting the barricade. After the hearing of 2 hours this morning, the judge decided that decided to dismiss the application with no order as to cost. However, the defendant Grand Saga, through their lawyer, gave an undertaking to the court that they will not build the barricade. They will only build the barricade on the concessions area. In other words, they will not build the barricade on the state government land. But of course, if you want to build it on their concessions area, there's no injunction at the moment to stop them from doing that. It is for the federal government to take the further actions on that part, whether the RLM will give them the permit or whatever, the permit to actually build the barricade on the concessions area. So the next course of action will only be two actually. One, however, we need to discuss with our client first. First of all is whether we want to appeal against this decision. We need to discuss with Tan Boon Hwa first before we can actually come to a decision. The second thing, as for this suit, will be trial, the trial proper. And that would be quite some time from now because first of all the defendant, Grand Saga, need to file their defense, and as other than we need to exchange documents. So the trial would not be in a foreseeable future. It would take some time. It would definitely take some time.
Okay, alright, thanks.
This still one is the first case where Tan Boon Hwa, the resident, suing the Grand Saga, and me and Mr. Ko, we are acting for the second case. The second case is Grand Saga is suing 3 parties, and the 3 defendants. Number 1 is Tan Boon Hwa, the resident, the chairman. Second is Ronnie Liu, the Selangor Exco. Third is Majlis Perbandaran Kajang. And Mr. Ko and I, we are acting for Ronnie Liu as a lawyer. So for the second case, it has not been heard yet. The date has not been fixed yet.
Because reason is because the judge who is supposed to be hearing the case is on leave. So that was the reason why we came here this morning and until now is because we are not sure whether Grand Saga may pull out the case and to be heard before the same judge. That's why we are here. Anyway, we have already filed in affidavit opposition as well.
Alright.
My personal only comment about their first case where Tan Boon Hwa suing the Grand Saga is the only question in today's hearing is where actually is the consensus area? Where? There's no answer to it.
Okay.
Thank you.
Alright, thanks.
We want to say what has to be said.
I really cannot see where he has been seditious.
Only hope this is not the beginning of other bloggers being dragged to court.
I think bloggers, we can weather this.
Bloggers are not easily harassed.
So it's more harassment than anything else.
That we are against any such politically motivated case or even signs of repression.
Trying to strangle freedom of the internet, freedom of press.
They can do a lot, but that doesn't shake me one shit, okay?